Hi guys, it's Lauren Ashtyn, and today I was going to show you my makeup tutorial. So if you're interested in any of the products, you can click the link below and let me walk you through it, and let's get started. So first we're going to start by priming the face. This is one of my favorite face primers. It's super soft and helps your makeup stick to your face. Then I'm going to start with a little bit of moisturizer mixed with foundation. Today we're doing a natural makeup look, so I'm just going to apply it with my hands instead of using a beauty blender or brush. Now we're going to do the under eye brightener, which is one of my favorite products from Sephora. And it just takes a little bit, it goes a long way, and I just brighten up kind of everywhere on my face. Then I'm going to go in with my concealer. Any spots that need to be concealed, put it on there and use the beauty blender. Now I'm going to use my brightening stick on my nose and on all the areas that need highlight. Now we're going to go in with our contour stick and do around the nose, contour the nose, and anywhere on the cheekbones that need to also be contoured. Now we're going to blend it in. All right, now I'm starting with my Huda Beauty powder. I'm going to go in and just kind of get all those areas that usually get oily throughout the day. Blend those in with a damp beauty blender and let them sit on my face, probably for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to go in with my Scott Barnes bronzer palette, which I absolutely love. There's so many different tones in it, so you can use it in the summer or in the winter time. Apply that in the areas that we need bronzer. And now I'm going to go in with a little bit of a shimmer from Sparkle Denona and kind of do those on the same exact places. Alright guys, now I'm going in the inner corner with a little bit of highlighter around my eyes just to brighten everything up and make my eyes look bigger. And now everything is blended, so we're going to take our facial spray and just kind of spritz it all over the face. So what we're going to do with the spray is spray it on our face all over and kind of let that sit there for a couple of minutes just so that the face does not look like powdery makeup. It'll look more like natural skin. Now we're going in with our favorite Lauren Ashtyn Collection eyeshadow palette, and we're just going to go in and kind of contour the eyes just a little bit. There's lots of different options with our two eyeshadow palettes, and I am pointing to the ones that I am actually using in the video. These are my favorite color combinations with the Lauren Ashtyn Collection eyeshadow palettes. I use that for the eyeshadow, and then I also use that for the eyeliner as well. Now I'm going to go in with my brow pomade and contour my eyebrows just to fill them in just a little bit. I don't really need a whole lot, just a little bit on the ends, and I'm using the dark shade in that. Now I'm going back in with my concealer and putting it underneath the brow bone, and what that does is just kind of makes the brow a little bit more contoured and makes it pop just a little bit more. Alright guys, now I'm going to go in with my Wiz Brow Gel, which just kind of keeps my brows in place. I have a lot of eyebrows and sometimes they get a little bit out of control. I hope you guys can relate and that it's not just me. Alright, now I'm going in with my eyeliner stick and just putting a little bit of a darker color of eyeliner underneath, and then I'm just going to blend that in with one of my eyeshadow brushes. Now I'm going in with my lash extensions and using an empty mascara wand just to kind of brush through my lashes to make sure that they're all separated the way that I like them to be. And now I'm going to go in with my regular mascara only on the bottom lashes because obviously I don't need them on the top, knowing that I have lash extensions. Now I'm going to make really awkward faces while you watch me apply my mascara. So now we're going in with our lip liner. This is one of my favorite nude shades. I always love to wear a nude shade of lip liner because it's the exact same shade as my actual lips. And now we're going to go in with a beautiful matte lipstick to kind of put on top. Now just a little bit of shimmer for the cheeks and the nose just to finish it all off. And voila, we are done. I hope you love this makeup tutorial. Comment below if you have any questions and make sure to subscribe to my channel.